I gotta do my hair so I look pretty.
Gotta go put your makeup on. Go get screen ready. You know I am. Just kidding.
Alright.
Oh, it's my jam.
We're on day 18. And we're just... What the hell are we doing? I'm caulking, she's taping off the windows.
I'm gonna paint.
And then our goal is to get everything, all the trim painted. So we should be able to do that by the end of the day. We got here pretty early. It's like only 1 o'clock, so, or 1:15, I don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. And then we'll spray. And then tomorrow we'll be able to start rolling on the walls and getting our cabinets set. Maybe not tomorrow, but we'll at least be able to start doing it. So unless we'll start painting the walls tomorrow, get our final color on. And then after that, we'll be on to flooring, and I'm gonna hopefully do this shower, get our tile done by this weekend. So what on earth are you doing?
My corner pieces.
Oh. Dork. All right, we're gonna get back to work. Do I look like I painted?
Just a little.
We got all the trim done for the most part. There's a couple things that need a second coat. We ran out of paint, which kind of sucks. So I got a shop full of baseboards to spray. Sprayed a little bit in here, but then we got the whole front room that's green right now to spray. So a little bit more to do, but I'm gonna get more paint. We'll finish it out tomorrow. And then maybe we'll start rolling walls on tomorrow, because this will only take probably like 20-30 minutes to finish out. So, but it looks good so far. So
Good job, babe.
everything's all sprayed and drying white. Window seat looks like brand new, basically. So. All looks to be good. Just need it to dry now. Alrighty, we'll be back tomorrow. Say bye.
Bye.